Mushrooms, especially the earthy, savory varieties like shiitake and crimini, are proof that some of the best things in the culinary world grow in the shadows. With about 1.3 milligrams of zinc per 100 grams, these fungi offer a surprising plant-based dose of this essential mineral, wrapped in a meaty texture and deep umami flavor that makes any dish feel a little more gourmet. While they won't compete with oysters or red meat in zinc content, their unique combination of immune-supportive compounds and versatility make them an invaluable part of a zinc-conscious, nutrient-dense diet. Let's start with the zinc. Although modest, it's well-placed. For vegetarians and vegans in particular, mushrooms offer one of the few non-animal foods that contribute to zinc intake and bring other immune-enhancing properties to the table. That includes beta-glucans, natural polysaccharides found in mushrooms that have been shown to enhance immune system response, improve resistance to infection, and may even help modulate inflammation. While oats and barley also contain beta-glucans, mushroom-derived varieties have a unique structure that gives them particularly potent immune-activating power. So mushrooms are doing more than giving you zinc, they're training your immune cells to be smarter and more responsive. Then there are the antioxidants like ergothioneine and glutathione, two powerful compounds that mushrooms produce in unusually high concentrations. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress at the cellular level, supporting everything from healthy aging to cardiovascular resilience. Ergothioneine, in particular, is being studied as a longevity vitamin because of its protective effects on brain and mitochondrial function, and mushrooms are one of the only foods that contain it in meaningful amounts. So yes, that mushroom risotto might actually be giving your cells a wellness retreat. Culinarily, mushrooms punch far above their weight. Crimini mushrooms, often called baby bellas, have a deep, hearty flavor that can replace meat in many dishes without anyone feeling deprived. Shiitake mushrooms bring their signature smoky, savory intensity and chewy texture that transforms everything from stir-fries to broths into something special. Whether roasted, sautéed, grilled, or blended into soups and sauces, mushrooms create a satisfying base that enhances everything around them, all while adding nutrients, not calories. They're also delightfully low in fat, low in carbohydrates, and incredibly low in calories, which means you can load up your plate without loading down your metabolism. For anyone aiming to eat lighter without losing satisfaction, mushrooms are the answer. Filling, flavorful, and figure-friendly. And the culinary options? Endless. Toss crimini mushrooms into omelets, pasta, or a grain bowl. Sauté shiitakes with garlic and tamari for an Asian-inspired side. Grill mushroom caps like burgers, blend them into lentil stews, or even dehydrate them into powder for a natural umami-rich seasoning that boosts flavor and nutrients. They're a minimalist's dream ingredient, easy to prepare, impossible to mess up, and shockingly elegant even in simple dishes. For the zinc-conscious eater, mushrooms play an especially smart role in layered, plant-forward meals. Pair them with lentils, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, or tofu, and you've got a zinc mosaic, a nutrient profile built from diverse sources, each one contributing a piece to the whole. Add vitamin C, rich veggies like bell peppers or tomatoes to further enhance zinc absorption, and your dish becomes not just delicious, but strategically nourishing. So while mushrooms might not top the zinc charts gram for gram, they more than earn their place in a health-focused kitchen. They offer depth, both nutritionally and flavor-wise, while quietly strengthening your immune system, feeding your cells protective antioxidants, and upgrading any recipe they touch. Mushrooms aren't just a garnish or a sidekick, they're the kind of ingredient that transforms ordinary meals into something smart, satisfying, and genuinely health-forward. And the best part? They do it all from the forest floor with no ego and a whole lot of umami.